Well, hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about Jagiellonian University in Poland. But before that, if you're someone who is looking for a study in Poland, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of the doubts. The Jagiellonian University is a public research university in Krakow, Poland. Founded in 1364 by King Casimir III the Great. It is the oldest university in Poland and one of the oldest university in continuous operation in the world. It employs roughly 4,000 academics and provides education to more than 35,000 students who study in 166 fields. The main language of instruction is Polish, although around 30 degrees are offered in English and some in German. Coming to the top bachelor's and master's program, the university offers earth science, physics, computer science, psychology, law, business economics and business administration. Now, let's talk about the ranking. The university ranks around 321 as per the QS World University ranking and 391 as per the best global universities. The university requires English proficiency tests such as IELTS and TOEFL. The university accepts scores of 5.5 for IELTS and 72 for TOEFL. These are the basic requirements for both bachelor's and master's program. High school diploma or the bachelor's degree certificate accompanied by a certified translation to English or the document authentication, transcripts to the diploma, a photocopy of the passport, one photograph of 35 to 45 mm format, insurance policy, medical certificate confirming the ability to study in Poland, SOP, LOR and resume. Now, if you are ready with the eligibility criteria, you need to pay an application fee ranging between 85 to 100 PLN, which is a Poland currency. And the tuition fee usually ranges between 2,700 euros to 5,000 euros on a per year basis. Now, let's talk about the accommodation and the scholarship availability from this university. The scholarship is provided to international students on the merit basis. You can find out the specific scholarship for a specific program on the below mentioned link. The university also offers housing opportunity to the international students. You can check out the link in the description box. It is between 500 to 600 PLN for a per month basis for a single room, and it also ranges between 800 to 1000 PLN on a per month basis for a double room. It is important to note that the rate might changes according to a person's situation. Now coming to the important and the last part of the video, that is the jobs and salaries. The average base salary of an alumni graduated from this university usually ranges between 15,000 euros to 25,000 euros on a per year basis. It is important to note that the salary changes according to one's profile, location and more importantly the career background. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.